Hi guys. Okay, good day. Okay, so our topic for today will be the Amazon SEO. Okay, so since we know all of the parts ng product listing, okay, our target or our goal is to optimize each part ng product listing. Okay, so SEO for Amazon means optimizing your product listings to generate as much organic search traffic as possible. Okay, kumbaga, kailangan gawin natin or ma-meet natin lahat ng requirement, okay, each of every part ng listing para yung product natin is andun siya sa pinaka first page ni Amazon organically. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi natin kailangan gumastos ng ads para lang mapunta tayo sa first page. Ang gagawin lang natin is we have to ensure na lahat ng requirements ng every parts or details ni listing is ma-meet natin ang requirements based on Amazon algorithm. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, how to optimize a product listing. Okay, so meron tayong iba't ibang technique, okay? Iba't ibang technique for each part. Okay, so first method natin na gagawin is we will conduct a keyword research. Okay? Yan, so gagamit tayo dito ng ating tools. Okay? Yan, so gagamitin natin si Helium 10, Helium 10. Okay, but before we proceed sa keyword research, okay? So I'll explain muna what are the two types of keywords. Okay, so meron tayong two types of keywords. So yun yung mga isa-search natin. Okay? So andyan si short tail keywords. Okay, short tail keywords, these are short, often one or two word phrases that are broad in nature and have a high search volume. Okay? So this is an example, andyan si shoes, fitness, or coffee. Okay? Basta mga one or two word, okay, tawag natin dyan, they are the short tail keywords. Okay? Okay, so on the contrary, si long tail naman, okay, so long tail. So yung long tail keywords, these are longer, more specific phrases that are typically 3 or more words in length. Okay? So example niyan is yan, so best running shoes for men, yoga for beginners, organic coffee shops. Okay, so basta pag sinabing long tail, they are very specific. Okay? Yan. Alright. So next is we do have, okay, ang gagawin natin is magka-conduct na tayo ng keywords using the Helium 10. Okay? So before we proceed on, okay, conducting the keyword research, you have to make sure na nakabukas ang ating portal for the FBA tool. Okay, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay? Then once naka-open siya, you have to go to the Helium 10 dashboard. Dapat naka-open silang dalawa. Alright? Yan. Okay? Okay. So, this is the process of doing the keyword research. Okay? So, pupunta tayo kay Amazon. Let's say, for example, ang ating product is si kitchen knife. Okay? So, let's say, kitchen knife ang ating product. So, ang gagawin natin, pupunta tayo kay Amazon. Okay? Then, we have to make sure nandito tayo sa product result page. So, dapat kita natin yung mga competitor. Okay? Yan. I-off ko muna yung ibang extension para hindi masyadong magulo. Yan. Okay. So, titira lang natin si Helium. Okay. Yan. Alright. So, okay. Once na nandito na tayo sa product detail page, okay, is ang gagawin lang natin is pupunta tayo sa extension ni Helium. Okay. So, pupunta tayo dito sa Helium extension and then we have to click si X-Ray Amazon Product Research. Okay? X-Ray Amazon Product Research. Okay? Yan. So, mag-fetch siya, mag-load siya ng data. So, first na kailangan natin gawin is we have to make sure na ang revenue is in descending form. Okay? So, dapat is pababa. Okay? Yan. The revenue. Right? There you go. Okay? Yan. And then, the next one is filter. Click natin itong si filter results. Okay? And then click natin is si hide sponsored products from results. So kailangan puro organic lang. Click natin yan para mawala yung mga sponsored ads. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, once na maklik nyo na, okay, ang gagawin lang natin is hanap tayo, okay, ng product na kapareho ng ating product. So, ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung ating top 10 competitor. Okay? We have to make sure na 10. Okay? Top 10. Okay? So, let's say, ang aking product is a kitchen knife na hindi set. Okay? Kumbaga, isa-isa lang siya. Okay? So, isa-isa lang siya. Okay? So, click ko to. Okay? So, let's say, and then wala akong specific na sukat. Okay? So, click lang natin siya. Dapat isa-isa lang. Okay? Yan. So, pagka nakita nyo yung same brand, kahit na wag nyo nang piliin yung kapareho nyo. Yan. Para makuha natin yung ibang keywords ng ibang competitor. Okay. So, I have 6. Master cook na ba ako? Wala pa. Okay. Make sure na 10 siya. Okay? Okay. Yan. Okay? Alright. So, pagtapos na kayo dito, sa 10 na to, okay? So, ang gagawin natin is, we will click on Run Cerebro. Okay? Run Cerebro. So, click natin si Run Cerebro. And then, another data. Mag-fetch ulit ng data niya. Okay? Yan. So, waiting game lang tayo dito, guys. Alright. Okay. So, as you can see, meron siyang nilabas na 14,991 filtered keywords. So, medyo sobrang dami niya. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito is, yan. So, pupunta tayo dito sa filters and then we have to just make sure na kahit 60% ng keywords, okay, ng ating competitor is makuha natin. So, gagawin niyo, pupunta kayo kay ranking competitors and then under minimum type nyo si 6. Yan. Kasi nga 10 siya dun, 60%. Okay? So, once na okay na kayo, click nyo lang si Apply Filter. Okay? And then you can see na bawasan na. Should be, ito na yung ating filtered keywords. 758 filtered keywords. Okay? Yan. Alright. Now, another filter na gagawin natin dito is, kunin nyo sa search volume, it should be on descending. Okay? Again, descending. Alright. Okay. Okay. So, ito siya. Okay. So, ito siya. Descending siya. Search volume. Okay. Once na meron na siyang, or na-filter na siya ng descending and search volume, we have to export the data. Okay. So, pagka-export ng data, so, wala kasi akong Excel. So, gagawin natin is CSV file. Yan. Okay. So, meron na kayong lalabas na file coming from Cerebro. And, okay. In-export na natin siya. Ang gagawin natin is ayusin pa natin yun. So, mag-open lang tayo ng isang Google Sheet para parang upload natin or maayos natin yung ating keywords. Okay? So, yan. Alright. So, ngayon, gagawin natin sa upload natin yung data. So, click on Import, then Upload. Okay? Yan. Okay, import data. Okay. There you go. So, ito na yung ating data. Okay? Yan. So, lagay nyo lang natin dito is the master keyword list. Then, you name ng product. Okay. Yan. Okay? Then, ayusin pa natin siya. So, kunin natin yung keyword phrase. So, mag-add tayo ng isang sheet. Okay, and then, lagay natin dito. Name. MKL stands for Master Keyword List. Then, yung product name. Yan. Okay? Alright. And, so, kunin natin siya. Natin yung keyword phrase. Yung keyword phrase. Yan. And then, other information na kukunin natin is yung search volume. Yan. Ihiwalay natin siya. Okay, ayusin lang natin ng konti. Yan. Okay? So meron na tayo ditong set of keyword phrases. Okay? Ito na yung mga keywords natin. Okay? Yan. So ngayon, gagawin pa natin dito. So hindi pa yan natatapos. Pag nakuha natin siya, okay? So open tayo ng another tool which is yung itong remove duplicate words. Yan. So ito is lalagay ko namin siya sa spreadsheet. You can use this. Okay? So kunin natin yung keyword phrase, lahat yan. Then lalagay natin siya dito. Yan, filter pa natin siya. Okay? So once na malagay na siya dito, tanggalin nyo lang itong keyword phrase kasi hindi naman siya kasali. Then click nyo lang si original order. Okay? Original order. Then this will be your master keyword list. Okay? Click natin or copy lang natin, then kuha kayo ng isang Google Docs. Doon natin siya save. Okay? Yan. Okay? There you go. So ito yung ating yan, master keyword list. Kitchen knife. Okay? Yan. Alright? Okay. So, during the assessment, ang mga kailangan ko na ipasa nyo sa akin is this one, the Google Sheet and the Google Docs. Okay? So, ito yung i-check ko sa inyo. So, ito na yung mga words na high volume. Okay? So, yan yung gagamitin natin sa pag-create or yan yung mga gagamitin natin sa ating other parts ng listing. So, dito tayo mag-create ng product title, backend, and then other stuff na pwede nating ilagay sa description as well as sa bullet points. Okay? Yan. Alright? So, that's how you do it. Okay? So, that's how you do your keyword research. Okay? And if you do have any question regarding sa keyword research, just let me know and I'll see you on the live checkpoint session. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.